What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, y'all see, man, we doing something special for my sister, whatever, man. Cause she done graduated, man. She graduated college or whatever, man. So I got to shout out my sister on Nadia. Man, my little sister, I'm real proud of her and stuff. And y'all know I went to the bank in another vlog, and I went to the bank for her, man. So we're gonna surprise her cause she don't even see it coming or none of that. So you know, we leaving Alabama now. Y'all know, man, I'm still in Alabama leaving the track. So we're gonna go link up with her, get some gas, man. We get some, y'all know what I call some petrol, man. We get some petrol and all that. Gonna get back to Georgia, get something to eat, all that good stuff. Been a fun time down here, man. Y'all know, if you into that racing, you're gonna have to go check my main channel out. Videos already live. My bro Night Train 442 back, and he done took on Grand Nasty. Everything, man, it went down, man. World War III event. Shout out to Cardell. Good event, man. I enjoyed myself. Y'all saw some of that vlog, whatever, but it really about my sister, whatever, and some more stuff too. So we're gonna get back, get something to eat. Then we're gonna link up with my sister, and y'all gonna see what I got. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. We checking in. We're over here at my grandma's house. I'm seeing my sister. We've been trying to hunt her down, man. See my little sister over here, whatever. Then we're gonna surprise her with the, you know. So we're gonna get her reaction on camera. Then we're gonna get back to the house, man, talk about this car stuff and all that. Alabama and everything, man. Y'all see, grew up over here. A lot of whoopings with switches and all that and stuff over here, man. But you know. But I'm finna go in here, man, and we're gonna holler at y'all in a minute.
Going outside too, Eric.
Alright, y'all, we checking in. Finna give my sister her present. What a light is.
Oh, mama like.
Turn the light off. Yeah, man, I told y'all, look, boy, a lot of memories in this house, boy. Grew up in here. Did a lot.
Some real stuff.
Yeah, man. Y'all see my cousin. This my sister right here.
Say hey.
First time on the vlog. Just graduated from. Where you graduated? Tell them where you graduated from. West Georgia. Yeah, man, she did her thing. So look, I told everybody I'm doing the vlog. Look, this your present. You know, I don't do no rapping. Open up. Check it out.
Like, we want to be on it.
Check it out.
Open it up. Get in. You don't want it.
Had that sin for you. Yeah. Hey, I'm proud of you, for real. I'm proud of you. What you gonna do with it? I'm proud of you.
What is?
That's sweet. That's sweet. No, I love you. You like that?
Awesome. That's a blessing.
I told y'all on the vlog the other day, man. I had to go to the bank. I had told y'all the other day, so look, man, I'm real proud of my sister, for real. I want to put on the vlog for the world and stuff. She know that too, but you know, I want to put this in the vlog and all that. So y'all know you gotta take care of your family and everything. So yeah, that's it, y'all. That's it.
Congrats.
So look, when we get back to the house, I'm gonna holler at y'all about the car stuff. We're gonna be back on the car stuff, so y'all stay tuned. Hey, y'all, look. Hey, tell them what you graduated with.
3.8.
3.8. I told y'all, man. My sister doing her thing, y'all. This my little sister, y'all. This my real little sister. So, like I said, I'm real proud of her and stuff, and all of that. I gotta teach her that. You gonna learn the camera right here, huh? She got quiet. You need to learn it too. I told you need to learn the camera. Learn the camera and stuff too, man. They told her she come out there in the field with me a little bit. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we get to the house, and then we're gonna talk about Big Meat's plans and all that. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see. Yeah, see, that's what I'm talking about. Now you got something to go on top of that. Yeah. All right, y'all, we checking in. Checking in, man, back. Where they make these things out of? Back from running around, had to go get my camera from one of my camera guys. Go pick it up. Like I said, I was in Alabama, then my guy Jeremy, he handled another track for me while I was gone, so I appreciate him. Stopped by my grandma's house. You know, my grandma dead and gone, man. We lost her this year. Definitely gonna miss her. Definitely gonna miss her or whatever. But we're gonna open this quarter pounder car. I want y'all to see it. I want to see it myself too. You buy it brand new and had to stop, you know, give my sister her present for graduating, man. Like really. God almighty. Really proud of her for real though, y'all. I said this y'all first time seeing my sister, my little sister. So you know, man, I remember keeping her in the morning, boy. I had to waking up, man, keeping her, like I said, in the morning stuff, man. It was a trip, boy. I got many stories, me and her, but yeah, that's my little sister, man. She just graduated University of West Georgia. So I had to do that. Tell y'all a funny story. I think I mentioned it in the vlog for last year. But I was gonna get her a car, man. But you know, I couldn't find nothing worthwhile right now. So I like, well, just give her $2,000. You know, that's a good start. And you know, she's smart. She's smart and everything, man. Y'all see she graduated 3.8. And stuff, you know, I just put her on game with wealth building. You know, cause I tell her, she listen to him, I'm like, man, you listen to your big brother, you gonna be straight before you 30. You gonna be wealthy. I promise you that. Be wealthy well before you 30. Guaranteed. So we got that, man. I feel real good. I'm glad she happy. Made her day. She smiling, so hey, it's all good. Good trip to Alabama. Family happy and all that. That's what it's about, man. Living life. Work hard, man. Play hard. Get back to the one that had your back, been down with you. Look out for them. Put them on game, put them on money, all this good stuff, you know. So yeah. But man, we gon' it ain't too much, it ain't heavy. It just irregular shape, man. Whole quarter pound in this bad boy. So let me show y'all. It's a skin, really. I ain't trying to go too crazy with it. Yeah. Look something. Oh, quarter pound in this bad boy. Alright, there we go. Now I'm gonna take it all the way out. We might as well. We came this far. Like what Drake, if you're reading this, it's too late. Too late. So here we go. Yeah. Quarter pound. Here we go. A little dusty. Like I said, man, you can order whole quarter pounds. This bad boy, flimsy. This is skin. Quarter pound skin or whatever for wifey car. So instead, cause y'all know, I'm just looking at it now, it made like that. Cause y'all know what wifey car, this part right here messed up. So man, you can put this whole skin in, cut that thing out and weld it in, like brand new. Like Uncle say, brand spanking. So we got this right here. Took it out. It's a good mark. Good mark Monte Carlo skin quarter pound. The fender I got made by Good Mark too. So you know, like I said, you don't necessarily have to hunt down an old Monte Carlo. You can just buy the stuff new, man, if you want to. Get your quarter one to put in. That reseal and all that. That ain't nothing. And yeah, man. So I got to get this over here. We got to take this to don't panic. Get this over here to Brady. Which I'm gonna do that. It'll sit like that. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Cause I'm tired of this thing being in the rod, man. I already ain't got no space. We got no space, man. Let me see. Let me come grab y'all, cause I don't know. I guess y'all was able to see. But yeah, said we got that, man. I'm finna clean this up. I'm just getting y'all some, man, cause I've been skipping days. When I'm traveling, man, it kinda hard. It kinda hard to make it happen, to vlog and all that. Cause I know y'all don't be want to see all that. Sometimes now I see some good stuff, but I don't be vlogging too tough when I'm on the road. Handling business. I've been busy, man, like ready for vacation. Like when I go on vacation, like y'all ain't gonna really want to see that too tough. But let me see, let's go throw this on the truck. Yo, man, it's been a good day though. It's been a good day. Like I said, I just really wanted to vlog and get my sister reaction on camera. Get in there. This stuff out the floor, but I really want to just get my sister reaction, man, you know, on camera and stuff. And then come on the vlog and tell the world how I appreciate it and stuff. And you know, I'm proud of her and all that. We talk on the phone all the time, but you know, tell her publicly and all that. I'm proud of what she doing and all of that stuff, man. She about to start life and on the right track. I'm putting on business, entrepreneurship, all that good stuff, you know, all that good stuff. We rolling with the cars, Big Dolo. I'm ready to get Big Dolo back, man, cause that's really what all the content I got planned and scheduled for y'all is based around Big Dolo. Besides when I get my shot back. Cause when I get my shots in for John Jones and Big Dolo, then I'm gonna have some content coming for John Jones. Cause he gonna jump out the gym. So, I don't know, it's been 2 weeks on the shots, man. I hope they come back. I hope I get the shots back this week. And that'll be good. I have to go right up there, get the shots. What else? Monte Carlo, got it going, get it painted. Still ordering parts for it, man. We was gonna go ahead and get her a Tierra grill, but they so far out. We ain't even worried about it right now. It is what it is. We're gonna have it straight. We might go ahead and order her wheels. When she decide what she want, we might go ahead and order her wheels. Big Dolo come, we're gonna mount it up. Man, it's a lot, man. It's a lot. We gotta go back to the dyno with Big Dolo. We gotta take Michael Myers' head off with Big Dolo and John Jones. We probably gonna have the Cutlass Rhythm and Blue. We might have some shaking with it. I don't know. Maybe in the next 2 months, I might go ahead and just start the remix of it. Put my own combo together. Still supercharged. It's a lot, man. It's a lot shaking, but it's a lot business things I got going on too, man. Which is why I kind of been hit and miss on the vlog. It been stuff on the business side of things like I be having to handle. A lot of stuff shaking. It's good stuff, but I'm trying to just balance it right now and keep the content rolling for y'all and all that. Said we're at a place where all the cars pretty much running everything like it's supposed to. It's just a matter of jumping in them, driving them, racing them, or whatever, you know, whatever I want to do. We finna get Big Meats put together. So y'all gonna have that vlog coming, man. I'm going Summit. We're gonna go in Summit and run it up. Go ahead and get everything we need for it. Put Big Meats together, and I'm so ready for that car to come back. Man, Meats, your time coming, buddy. I promise you. Your time is coming, buddy. It's your time to shine. You gonna get your shine on. Dolo ain't even got his time to shine yet, but we had to wrap Dolo up, man. Dolo coming back 100% ready. No lie, not gonna need nothing else but shots. And then when they get here, we're gonna dial the shots in, and we're gonna be all the way ready. But Meat, my brother, I promise you, your time is coming. And when you come, boy, we going clean up through there. You're gonna be back in your big block form like you should, man. You're gonna be back. You can't even talk to me right now because you ain't got no heart transplant. That's all right. But when you come back, you know you're gonna be back talking. You're gonna be back talking again, and you're gonna sure enough be talking. You're gonna have that old man power because you the oldest. So you know, Meat's coming back, y'all. Meat's coming back. Coming back. But man, I had to check in with y'all. I'm like, man, we just getting back. And on the road biz, I gotta talk to my people, man. I gotta talk to my brand coat gang and all that, see what everybody got going on. and all of that. Keep y'all in the loop. Show y'all the quarter panel, man. We'll be back kicking tomorrow, rolling. Have some stuff planned for y'all and all that. I'm trying to get somebody in John, man. These folks scared to ride it, man. They scared to ride in the car now, man. Folk be asking me at the track, man, when the last time you took somebody for a ride, or when the next time you taking somebody? I'm like, man, I got to find somebody. They scared to get in the car. But we're gonna get it done, man. We're gonna get it done. So yeah, man, that's it, man. We're gonna slide over to Lawless tomorrow. Y'all see the fleet is all gone. We're gonna get the fleet back home. I got to get that done. We're gonna film that underpinning, cause y'all saw when the store was tore down, y'all saw when it put up, so I'm gonna bring y'all along the whole way. It's gonna get underpinned, and we're gonna get a ramp built. That's why all the stuff right there, the cap blocks got delivered and all that. Y'all saw that in the other vlog. And we about to roll. And hey, before somebody asks, that is not my truck, man. I don't know if people just now watching, that is not my S10. I told y'all this is my father-in-law truck. I told people, I'm gonna have to do a sit-down video, man. Our in-law with my in-laws. They stay here with us too. You know, like I said, the kids with their grandparents and everything. We just one big happy family, this and that. So that's his truck that y'all see, man. That's his truck. I need to start putting them in the vlogs more. Y'all see my mother-in-law and wifey vlog sometime. So, man, y'all can see and get to know the entire family. Like, this is my family. So, you know, that's what it is, man. Cause people always ask, what you gonna do with the S10? My S10 is sold. Go back and look at my old videos. I built the $5,000 budget bill S10 called Cheapskate. Go back and look at it. And I did a damn good job on it. It was clean. I transformed it. But it was a budget bill motor that didn't last long either. So, yep, that's it, man. We might do another S10 soon. We might do another one soon. So, I might have to end up buying another car this year, cause I didn't plan on it, but I don't know, man. Me and wife were talking. I might have to buy another car. Just for business purposes only. If you know, you know. For business purposes only. I don't want another car. I really don't. I honest to God don't, man. I got 4 nice hot rods. I don't want another car, man. So, I might have to get one. But I don't know. I keep y'all in the loop with that. But I'm finna get in the house because I do got a lot of work to do. I got 2 events of stuff to film. Edit, and a lot more business and calls. And I just got a lot to do, man. So I'm gonna catch y'all later. I appreciate y'all. Brown Coat Gang, we checking out. I'm out.